Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I like doing canning, especially when certain produce is in season. I have so many recipes and here's one I really like. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Apricot Jam. It's a super easy recipe, quite delicious, and you can enjoy it all year round. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here we have 2 pounds of beautiful apricots that we washed and pat dry. So now what we'll do with the fruits is to slice them in half, remove the stones, and discard them. From here, we'll slice each half a few times and cut them into little cubes so they cook faster. When this step is done, we'll move on to the stove. We'll put the apricot cubes in a large pot along with granulated sugar, followed by some orange juice, then freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a tablespoon of orange zest. We'll set the heat on medium and stir until the ingredients are nicely blended and the sugar is dissolved. We'll bring the mixture to a simmer, skim off any foam at the surface, and discard it. We don't need it. Plus, I explain further on the website why we do that, so check it out. So we'll cook until the fruit is tender, about 15 minutes, stirring often. 5 minutes before they're done, we'll add some orange liqueur. It's optional, but highly recommended. We'll stir to combine and let it simmer for the remaining time. When time is up, using an immersion blender, we'll process until fairly smooth or to your liking. Some like little chunks in their jam. I prefer it without. To make sure the mixture is thick enough, I like to use the spoon test, which is letting it sit in very cold water before drying it off. From here, I dip it in to get a bit of jam, let it cool off, and then flip it. If it runs very slow, it's set. Otherwise, I cook it a little longer. Another way is to run your finger on the back of the spoon, and if the line stays separate, it's good to go. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and fill up our prepared jars. I don't go into details on how to do canning because there's a full episode on it. Therefore, click on the top right corner of your screen for more info. When this step is done, we'll move on to the stove. We'll place the jars in a boiling water bath, and when the water returns to a full boil, we'll process for 10 minutes. And a few minutes later, we'll transfer them to a wire rack away from any draft and let them cool completely, about 12 hours, before storing the jars in a cool, dark area. This recipe makes 4 jars of 250 ml. And my friends, this is our apricot jam. Sweet with amazing flavor, this delicious condiment is great to enjoy for breakfast or to use as an ingredient for other recipes. If you like apricots, you should definitely make this jam before they're out of season. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!